Hey, this is Rob Houston. We're here at the Stride Bank Center in the Grand Ballroom. A couple of big events going on here this week, including the State of the City address, as well as a very popular ventriloquist. Those are part of 4 more reasons to visit Enid this week. 4 more reasons to visit Enid this week. Hit ventriloquist Marc Rubben will be here in the Grand Ballroom on Sunday evening to bring his unique perspective to the Stride Bank Center. The Night of the Living Dummies is a ventriloquism kaleidoscope and an abundance of satire, comedy, as well as audience participation. Marc Rubben's feisty world-class ventriloquist figure friends will tickle your funny bone and amaze you as they come to life in his expert hands. Dinner starts at 6 o'clock. The show will begin at 7:30. You can still get your tickets at the Stride Bank Center box office or online at stridebankcenter.com. Come see Sunday night ventriloquist Marc Rubben here in the Grand Ballroom of the Stride Bank Center. Also here in the Grand Ballroom on Friday is the Enid State of the City address. Mayor George Pankinen's theme this year is reinvesting in our future. And he'll go over all of the things that have happened in the past year and what to expect in 2023. RSVPs for lunch have already sold out, but if you'd like to hear the address, it will start around noon and you can come in for free here at the Stride Bank Center. So come on down Friday, lunch at 11:30, noon for the speech, reinvesting in our future, the Enid State of the City address with Mayor George Pankinen. Northwest Oklahoma's largest farm show returns to the Chisholm Trail Expo Center. It's the KNID Agrifest, and it happens Friday and Saturday, again, at the Chisholm Trail Expo Center. The show will feature everything farm, including vendors. They'll have machinery. There'll also be educational seminars and just a lot of things around the world of farming. The show runs 9 to 6 on Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturday. It's the KNID Agrifest, Friday and Saturday at the Chisholm Trail Expo Center. Saturday morning, don't miss the Martin Luther King Jr. Prayer Breakfast. It runs from 8 until 10 a.m. It's at the Central Assembly of God Family Life Center. There will be speakers honoring the life and the achievements of Dr. King. Again, Saturday morning, 8 until 10, Enid's Martin Luther King Jr. Prayer Breakfast at the Central Assembly of God Family Life Center. And that's 4 or more reasons to visit Enid this week. Again, we invite you to the Stride Bank Center Friday for the State of the City address, and then Sunday evening for ventriloquist Marc Rubben. And for more information on all the events coming up, go to our website, visitenid.org.